Hey everybody, welcome back, Sheepdog. Welcome to the Sheepdog YouTube channel, Sheepdog Logic. I'm in the barn right now. My Milwaukee batteries ain't been charged in a long damn time, so I started yesterday charging the big one, and now I'm charging the two smaller ones. They're both 18 volt. All three are 18 volt, but they need it charged. My big 1-inch drive uses a bigger one, 9.0. These are two 5.0s. So I'm getting them charged up today. And I thought we'd do a little, yesterday it was raining. I was able to get the steer tire off, but that's all what the heck did I do? Oh yeah, they're over here. There we go. There we go. Yeah, I was able to get the steer tire off yesterday. That's all I was able to do. I was gonna use my 1-inch drive to take the steer tire off, but I couldn't. I used my 3/4 inch drive, and I wouldn't do it every day, but it did a good job. It got them off, the lug nuts, I mean. And yeah, so I was able to get the steer tire off, and I tried taking that bottom shock mount off, shock mount bolt out of there, the nuts off, but I couldn't get the bolt out with the 3/4 inch drive. It wouldn't even budge it. I was going to use my 1-inch drive, but I don't have any 1-inch drive sockets. So I ordered some of them. So they're on the way. And so today I thought here's them old fittings that I took off to take with me to get the new fittings. And now I got a whole bag of brand new fittings, and we're going to work on that today. So let's get it done, shall we? I'm gonna have to go back in there and get a couple of wrenches to steer, take off the old fittings. Not to mention I gotta find me a carpenter's knife with a sharp blade to cut the, what do you call them? I'll just show you. I'm gonna have to get my vice grips too. This door is gonna have to stay open. That's all there is to it. Let's see if I can get this camera in the best spot, so you can see what oh, you gotta be kidding me. Another thing I gotta tell you is I got a new gimbal coming. It's not the same model. This one is same maker. It's a different maker, somewhat similar. It's a gimbal, but it's not the same maker as the one I got in my hand right now. This is ridiculous that it won't tilt down further. I'd have to bring. Why is it not tilting down farther when before you could see? I think I was using my other gimbal. Let's see if I can put you over here or something. I don't know. Ain't gonna do me no good if y'all can't see what I'm freaking working on. Well, that just ain't gonna work now. All right, well, I'll bring you back when I can get this all set up. All right, everybody, I'm back. I don't know when you disappeared on me because I was working religiously. So I don't know what, the camera just shut off. So I'm not sure what happened, but here's where I'm at. I've got this one changed out. You can't see it on camera, unfortunately, but this one here, this one here, and this one here, all 4 changed out. This one here I'm gonna have to replace because it's too short. It's too short. So I'll have to get a new one of them before I can finish up the floor. I also got this one changed out, this one changed out, and this one changed out. Now we're not changing out these little plugs because there's no need for that. I've got this one here I'm tightening up. You can't see it on camera, but that's where the wrench is at. It's the first one closest to you. I'm tightening it down now. And I'm just going real slow so I can feel it. Oh. It's getting tighter. think I'm about there. I think that's good. I really do. I'm gonna check them for air, obviously. Oh wow. I don't have that, so that's a three. Wow, that's 3/4, so 7/8. All right, I'm gonna try 13/16 first because I think that's what it is. Yep. We in business. Let's tighten it down. Yeah, I got some new stuff coming, man. I got a torque wrench coming for the, big torque wrench. It's a long one. It's like 5 feet long. It's what the truck stops use, the mechanic shops and everything. That's what they use. Oh, I think we done it. Right there. I'm happy with that. All right, so put this wrench over here. Get it out of my way. Are we down? Okay. 5/8 is too small. Oh, wait a minute. No, it ain't. Man, this is so nice. These are spinning on the airline like they're supposed to. Floors, or the floor pan's replaced. It's new. Looks good. It's taking a lot longer than I wanted it to, that's for sure. But we're getting it done. Once we get this done, we'll finish up that passenger side shock replacement. I think that's good. And I'm gonna replace the horns real quick. Then we can lift the cab. There we go. Oh, that was nice. Yeah, it's a little too big. All right, so we gotta go get another wrench. Now, if that's too big, 9/16 is probably the one we need. So let's go get that, and I'll take you with me because I gotta keep an eye on my camera anyway. There we go. There we go. Centered up, baby. Centered up. Keep it centered. All right, let's go get it. 9/16. I think that's what we need. Ooh, gotta be careful so this bad boy don't fall over. That would not be good. I might get mad and throw that daggone thing. What was it? 5/8. So we need a 9/16 or a 11/16. What? 9/16, 10/16 would be 5/8. 5/8. I already used a 5/8, so 9/16 it is. Oh, what a beautiful Sunday afternoon it is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I hate going back to work, but that's all right. In a few weeks, I'll be taking a week off again. I'm spending all week working on my semi. Next weekend, I got to bring home Lieutenant Watermelon. I got to move the neighbor's trailer for him real quick, and I'm just going to take it back down to Martin and drive back home. Yep, that's my plan. Actually, I won't be able to do it until the next. I won't be able to drive it back until the next day. So I'll come home on a Friday, move his trailer, and then leave early Saturday morning. Go back, take it back to Martin, and bring my pickup home. Too bad this truck ain't running. I just use it to move his trailer. There we go. I'm happy with that. Yep. All right, next one. Got 2 more to put on here. All right. Oh, I love it. Love it. All going back together nice. There we go. Last one for the top till we get that red one replaced. Oh, come on. Oh man, I think I'm gonna change that one out. Well, I can change this one out. There we go. There we go. All done but the one. Now, did I get myself trapped? What the hell? See if we can get this one off there real quick. Oh, I better get me a... Oh, wow, that was easy. That didn't even take nothing to turn that nut. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. There we go. Didn't even take any pressure at all to turn that. It might have been leaking in the first place. Oh, come on. And the nut's actually turning on the airline. Ain't that something? There it goes. Yep. I'll have to, I don't know, I might just leave that on there. I might just use that. I don't see no reason why not. Yeah, I'm gonna need a new I already got one to replace it, so I'll just replace it. So I have to get this about a ½ inch longer. That's it. Well, yeah, ½ inch longer. Well, that's gonna be fun to take that out of there. Oh, that wasn't bad. Question is, how am I gonna keep going? We can use it, turn it around here. There we go. Oh, come on. Oh yeah, that's gonna be fun. I might have to leave that on there because getting it out might be harder than... Yeah, I might just leave it on there. Just bring it back around. Problem is, it might leak now. Oh, what do we got going on here? Need to bring in my vacuum cleaner again. Need a screwdriver. About cleaning that up, that might have to be replaced right there. Huh. Yeah, shoot, that's a lot of work to take all this out. Gotta disconnect these lines, and boy, I'd hate to have to replace them. We're just gonna have to figure it out. That's all there is to it. There we go. See, that ain't bad. Just had to think about it for a minute. Oh, there we go. All right, cool beans. Look at that. Somebody putting Loctite and stuff. You don't need to do that. These are tapered ends. They don't need to be done to like that. Idiots. I'm gonna go get a screwdriver real quick. And then we'll put that new one in. Yeah, I'm gonna need to get that vacuum and vacuum this up. Yeah. I'm gonna go get that right now. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get the vacuum cleaner so I can vacuum up that dirt down in the hole. I might be able to show you when I get back, so I'll try to do that when I get back, so I'll be right back. All right, oh, all right, I'm back. Prepare for the noise. Just sucked up a fitting. I have to use this to clean up the interior when I'm done, but I'll do that later. I gotta get that fitting out of here. All right. Yeah, suck these right up. I know what those are for. Screws go into these. Not sure how they got in there, but they must have been on the floor. Yeah, these go on the door panel, or where screws are used like that. This one's brand new. Not even sure where that came from, but I can always use them because they go on a few places. throughout the truck. So, but I was able to get my fitting back. That's all that matters on that. So there we go. I'm going to put a fitting back on that one right now. I think I'm going to put this on here just so I don't lose it. There we go. There we go. I'll put this over here. Don't need this anymore. And then we can start working on the bottom. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This type of fitting won't go in there. Dadgummit. Because they got this rod on there. The other old style fitting, this was part of the cap. This is part of the fitting. Damn it. So I can't even put this new fitting on here because it won't fit past. Let's see if I can show you. It won't fit past this fitting right here. I can't spin it around. I can get it started, but it won't. There we go. Nope. Come on now. Let me show the nice folks what I'm talking about. For those that don't understand. There we go. Nope. Why are you acting like you want to get started, but you don't want to get started? Slow your roll. Slow your roll. Huh. Where's my old... Oh, shoot. You're right there. Huh. I might have to put that old fitting back in. Well, I'm going to have to, because I can't use that new one. Well, I got a few down here, so I'll pick out the best one of the bunch. How's that? And this one looks like the best one of the bunch. Let's make sure that goes that. Where'd the fitting go that I had? Okay, I'm missing the... Where'd the fitting go that was... Oh, it's right here, dipshit. Yep, so I just need a new crush washer, which I can get, bam, right there. So ain't no thing. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to tell him. Well, I'll be yeah. So I'll just keep the. Ah, dadgummit. Well, we'll have to figure it out. I might have to put two pieces together. No, either way, I gotta have a. You know. See, the piece I'm missing is they don't sell them like this no more. But if I can get this piece out, I can reuse it because it don't crush it or nothing. It just, the crush washer tightens the, sorry. If I can get this piece out, which I can, I'll just cut this off, cut this out. I'll have this piece, and then I just got to use a new crush washer. This don't get damaged in the process. This gets damaged because it's called a crush washer. It crushes until it squeezes the hose down on this and seals it inside here. So, yeah. I can use that, and then I can use a new crush washer. So that's what I'll do. I'm gonna get that out now. No, I don't want to do that now. No, I do not want to do that now because I want to use this as my length of hose that I need. So Yeah, let's not do that. We'll worry about that later. All right, we'll worry about that later. For now, we're gonna put this fitting back in here, and hopefully we can get it as tight as it needs to be. That's for sure. Which side am I using here? Right here. There we go. Oh, come on. Why do you act like you want to start, but then you don't start? You peckerwood. Come on now. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, see, I think I'm going to have to spin that all the way back around. Where's my wrench go? Right here. Yep, I'm going to have to spin it all the way back around because it ain't tight enough. Oh, here goes the fun part. Can I get it on it? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. We good. We good. We good. Look at that. Look at that. All right, half a turn. Oh, I was hoping I could get it on there. Oh, that'll work. Okay, come on now. I think that's good right there. Yeah, I can go down later if I need to. Put that back on there for now. What the Sam hunk? I think I got the wrong fitting in there. No, I had that on there. There we go. Jeez Louise. All right. Huh. Yeah, that's all right. All right, cool. We in there. Got all these hooked up except for this one. I'm gonna have to replace that one. So we got that. We got that in the books. Oh, why do I always lose my bottom step? There we go. Now this wire right here, I still gotta connect a piece to this to go to this sensor, which I ain't got tightened in there yet. And I need to, I can do this now, but I don't have the connector. They're in my, or do I? Now I gotta figure out what I did with them. The heck did I do with them? I used them at Martin on my other truck. I might actually have one. So I'm gonna go check on that and I'll be right back. All right, folks, I'm back. I got the tools I need. Cut this off clean. Oh, I did forget one tool. My channel locks. Well, all right, I'll be right back again. All right, now on this one, I don't think this is tapered. I just don't think it is. So I'm gonna put a wrap of Teflon tape around this, just to be on the safe side. Yep. So hold on. All right, just like that. Couple wraps. Easy, easy. You know, it's got flat spots on it. I ain't got a wrench big enough to go around it. No, no. think that's good. Glad I brought a screwdriver that now I can't get to it. Yeah, maybe I can. I'm gonna go get a shorter screwdriver. Yep. Be right back. All right. I still could have gone a little shorter. You know what? There you go. Didn't think something would be so difficult. All right, good enough. So we need a line. That reminds me, if I don't do it now, I'm gonna forget. Oh, for Pete's sakes. I need that line, I need that electric wire for for the lieutenant. I gotta hook up his hood lights, hood blinkers, hood markers. All right, let's see, we're gonna need it. What do I do with that? Yeah, I got the hookup piece for it. Oh shoot, forgot my wire strippers. Dad, burn it, man. If it ain't one thing, it's another. All right, power went out again. I don't know how long ago it went out, but let's get back at it. I gotta cut this a little bit longer. Feels good to me. Perfect. Now let's shrink wrap it. I need to get one of them torches instead of using my lighter. Oh, come on, where are you? Yeah, I can see it right there. Why aren't you? Well, I tell you, I should have thought I should have put it on the other side so I can see it. There it goes. All right. There we go. Oh, are you kidding me? You guys could probably see that happening before I could. All right, I'll be right back. I got a shorter screwdriver. There we go. There we go. Excellent. Thought I had a piece of big, thought I had some of this. Oh, you can't see it. Yeah, some of this protector here. I was gonna put a piece on here, but I got a piece at my other truck. Suppose I better put some tape on that. Moisture is a wire killer. You don't want to get no moisture in your contacts. Shrink wrap's great, but it doesn't seal 100% of the time, so better wrap it. All right, that'll do for now. There we go. That'll do for now. All right, that's as far as we can go up here. I got this wire here. This, I forget. Oh, I think this is supposed to ground to here. So I need to fix that too. I don't know why you need it, to be honest with you. This plate's already grounded to here, so what is this ground wire for? I don't know, we'll let that sit there for a while because I'm not sure what that's for. I think it was on, yeah, it was on this plate, but why does the plate need to be grounded when it's screwed to the, it don't. So I don't think I'm gonna worry about it, to be honest with you. All right, now we're gonna do the bottom side. It damn sure would have been easier to do without the tire on. For sure, for sure. And I don't know where I'm gonna put y'all. Well, you know what? I ain't gonna worry about it because y'all saw me do the top. Y'all saw me do the top, so you don't need to see me do the bottom, so I won't bore you with that. When I'm done, I'll show you what I did, but there ain't really no place to set up the camera. So, like I said, it'd been a lot easier to do this with the front tire off, but I didn't think about that before I put the front tire on, did I? No, sure didn't. Yeah, and it's gonna be fun putting that plate on the bottom with the tire on too. Yep. But anyway, I'll bring you back when I get the bottom all done. So, see you soon. Hey everybody. Well, it seems I gotta take the bolts that secure the aluminum block, the one on that side. I gotta take the bolts out because I can't spin the outside fittings around with them in. If it ain't one thing, it's another. Just thought I'd let you know. Be right back. All right, I got the back aluminum block finished on the bottom. I'm gonna let you see what it looks like. All right. There we go. All complete on that block. Now I just got to figure out this block. That block was easy. Easy camera, easy. It's trying to do its thing anyway. That block was easy because it's color coded on the bottom, same as top. This is different on the bottom than it is on the top. So I've got to look at my camera, find the picture I took of the bottom, and then we can hook that one up. So I'll bring you back once I get things going. Okay, I got done as much as I could get done. I needed 3 of the smaller fittings when I only got 2. And I'm missing a couple of plugs. At least I'm sure that's what was there, but I can't find them yet. So I'm gonna go back on my videos and verify that it actually had plugs. I'm sure it did, I don't know why it wouldn't have. But for some reason I can't find them. But I got all the lines hooked up but one. And I'm gonna show you right now. All right, let's see if I can get in there. Oop, wrong way, my bad, my bad. This sucker does not tilt very far. There you go, there you go. There's another one that goes right here, and it's this gray one. And I need a small fitting. I only got 2 brand new ones, and the third, I got to use one. You know, there was a couple we had, and I tried to make one, but the crush washer is the hardest part to get. So instead of messing with it for hours, I'm just going to get a new one tomorrow. And then this next weekend I'll finish this up. Like I said, I only got this one to finish, and then I got to figure out what goes here because I don't have any parts that go there. And I've looked on my camera and I didn't find any pictures with anything in there. So I got to go back to my video when I took all these out in the barn. So yeah, there we are. That's where we're at. There we go. Yeah, so I'm gonna button it up. I gotta leave here in about another hour. Head down to Martin. So yeah, I feel good. I got it all buttoned up except one. Oh, I forgot to show you. I was able to, you know, that red one that I was gonna have to go buy a new line. Well, I don't have to go buy a new line. I found a line. There it is right there. All done up. I found a old, here I'll show you. Right here. Come on, camera, what are you doing? There you go. Right there, I used that red line. The end that this connected to. Yep, it was straight, so I used it. Had just enough. So it all worked out, so all I gotta do is buy one more fitting. It'll be done. The floor, so this ain't gonna be the final video. It sucks. I thought it was gonna be the final video, but so yeah, so I gotta buy that fitting, and then I gotta put that on, track down the parts that go in there. I think I'll just buy 2 plugs. Yeah, which reminds me I need to get one of the fittings so they know exactly what fits in them holes. Yeah, so anyway, so yeah, so I'll buy a fitting and 2 plugs, and put them in next weekend. Put that bottom pan on to cover all that up. Put the floor back in here to cover all that up, and it's done. The floor's done, and once the truck gets running, I'll be able to test it for leaks, make sure ain't none of it leaking, which I ain't worried about that at all. Worst case scenario, one of them's leaking, I got to tighten them up just a little bit. I never tighten them to the max. I tighten them till they're pretty tight, and then I leave them alone. Them crush washers just keep crushing and crushing, and eventually they'll get so crushed you'll be as tight as you can get. But I like to leave a little. If they don't leak now, they might leak in the future, and then you can just tighten it up a little bit, snug it up, and it'll stop that leak. So that's where we're at with that. I gotta go get a shower so I can get ready to go to work, and I got a part I gotta change on Lieutenant Watermelon down there at Martin. I probably won't do it tomorrow, but I'll probably do it Tuesday or Wednesday. I got an oil leak, and I think I've showed it to you before, but I'll bring that video up tomorrow. We'll do that video, not tomorrow, but we'll do that video either Tuesday or Wednesday, and I'll bring you along. So stay tuned for that, and y'all have a good one. Thanks for coming. You know what to do. We'll see you next time.